Have you ever wondered how to kickstart your career as a virtual assistant without any experience? Let me show you how to get started. I will share simple steps to help you start and grow a successful VA career, especially if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding the job of a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant helps business owners or entrepreneurs with tasks such as email management, scheduling, data entry, research, social media, and anything else that can be done online. Step 2. Identify your skills. Think about what you are already good at. Maybe you are good at organizing and typing, or you are good at using tools like Google Drive, Canva, or even Google Calendar. These are valuable VA skills that can be monetized on your VA career. Step 3. Try to learn the basics. Start learning with free YouTube tutorials, online courses, or even following VA blogs. Lean tools like Notion, Trello, Google Workspace, and Zoom just 25 minutes a day can build your confidence. Step 4. You need to set up your online presence. Create a simple profile on platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, and Fiverr. You can also post what you are learning on your Instagram or TikTok because clients love to see growth and consistency. Step 5. Start small, then grow. Offer your services to small business owners, or you can even try helping a friend. First, remember the experience you gain is what matters. You can start charging and growing your client base. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more VA tips, and comment if you have any questions or want a part 2.